don't know.
Okay, take him to the gate. There you go. Keep going. Now give him his head. Give him his head. Put your hand forward. Hand in front. There you go. There you go. Good boy.
Heading for the gate.
Yeah, look at you go.
Thanks.
Who you riding?
Riding R.
You R&R? Yeah. Is he a good horse?
He stopped.
Well, make him go. See. Keep him going. Now stop him.
Whoa. I don't know.
Okay.